In today's video, I'm going to teach you the correct and simple way to create a slide master in Microsoft PowerPoint. A slide master is your presentation's blueprint. It lets you place elements like titles, logos, and consistent formatting in one place so they automatically appear on every slide. This keeps everything uniform, reduces file size by avoiding repeated objects, and makes future edits a breeze because you change it once and it updates everywhere. Start by opening PowerPoint and either creating a new presentation or opening one you already have. Whether you're starting from scratch or tidying up a deck, the process is the same. Next, head to the View tab on the ribbon and click Slide Master. PowerPoint will switch to Slide Master view, where you'll see a list of thumbnails on the left and a larger slide area on the right. This is where the master and its layouts live. At the very top of the left-hand panel, select the first, largest thumbnail. This is the main slide master, the parent that controls the look and behavior of all the layouts beneath it. Any change you make here cascades down, saving you from editing slide by slide. If you see default placeholders or sample content on this master, select them and press delete. Clearing the slate prevents accidental duplicates and gives you full control over what appears on every slide. Now, go to the Insert tab and choose Text Box. Click and drag to draw the text box where you want your recurring content to live, often the top or bottom area. Type the title or text you want to appear consistently, such as a presentation title, a footer, or department name. This is also the perfect place to insert a logo or other brand elements. Keep your logo high resolution but optimized, place it away from the main content area, and align it using PowerPoint's smart guides so everything looks professional. Apply your desired font, size, and color here, because whatever you set will carry across all slides that use this master. When you're happy with the layout, click Close Master View on the Slide Master tab. You'll return to normal view. Now click New Slide. You'll notice the title or content you added is automatically present. This applies to new slides and, in most cases, existing ones that rely on the master, giving your deck a consistent look without extra work. If you need to tweak the title or logo later, simply go back to View, choose Slide Master, select that top master slide, make your changes, and close Master View. Your updates will instantly roll out across all slides. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to get notified about new uploads.